Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your Twitter/X profile to a new phone using SMS verification, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your Twitter profile to a new phone using SMS verification, start by installing the Twitter app on your new device. Open the app once the installation is complete. You will see the option to log in or sign up. Tap on the login button. Enter the phone number associated with your Twitter account. Make sure to enter the number in the correct format. After entering your phone number, tap on Next. You will receive an SMS with a verification code shortly. Check your messages for the code from Twitter. Enter the verification code in the app. If the code is correct, you will gain access to your account. Now, set up your profile settings as needed. You may want to customize notifications and privacy settings. Your Twitter profile should now be fully accessible on your new phone. If you encounter any issues, try resending the verification code. Make sure you have good network connectivity for a smooth experience. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Twitter profile to your new phone using SMS verification. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.